Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video about this particular quantum stock that is crashing. You guys can see it is D-Wave Quantum. The ticker symbol is QBTS. I want to say welcome first of all to you. Today's your first time ever seeing my videos and my content. Welcome. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion, whether if we think price is going to go up and or down. We are unbiased in that presumption. We're going to drop the prediction anyway because we understand that we can profit from either direction, whether price goes up or down. And even in some cases, if you play the options, you can also profit when the market's not moving up or down and just trading within a range. So we appreciate it. Make sure you guys give me that support. Hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information and content. So now let's break this down. Yes, initially I would say mid-March, this particular stock, D-Wave, has seen a monumental move to the upside, right? So from the low of March the 10th to the high of the 17th of March, so 7 days, the market ran up 167%, right? If you caught that, hey, congratulations. That's the name of the game. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to come into this game a winner and not a loser. So if you caught that, I want to say congrats. Now, things has changed since March the 17th. The price is now decreasing. So if you're still holding on to the stock, I mean, maybe you might want to let it go. Now, you can't say that you're questioning, okay, why is the stock going down? Because we've already been at this price before. D-Wave on December 27, 2024 also topped out around $11.40. So it did it once. And now it did it again to where price hit $11.38 around that range. The reaction was back down. So would you be surprised to see that happening? I wouldn't be. So the first thing we're going to do here for D-Wave is we're going to go ahead and create a sell pocket. Now, sell pockets merely resembles areas that we think a lot of sellers are. That's all it means. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and delineate and create that for a visual so that we can understand, hey, if price in D-Wave goes back up, hey, we expect something to happen. We expect selling to increase, right? So if we can do that for the sellers, we can definitely do that for the buyers. Where do you think the buyers are? Let's go ahead and break this down like on the 330. Can you see where the buyers are on this chart? Well, you can see that they're trying to hold price now in this stock right there. They're trying to hold it now. But given this 330-minute price bar, I won't be too confident that they're going to be successful. Someone is really trying to dump the stock there. Let's look at this on the 30. Okay, so I would say it probably will be here to where those buyers are trying to support D-Wave right there. And I would do two more. Here's a pretty good one right there. And I will say here. Okay, so let's get rid of that one. So in our presumption, we would have to say that these three pockets of buying will be important as we expect price in D-Wave to decrease. Meaning, we will want, like if we're trying to be a buyer, we will want to see price bounce off of one of these pockets so that we can come in and participate in the next move to the upside. That's it right there. Okay. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. The last couple of 5-hour bars, it hasn't been great. If you've been a buyer, you've seen the price completely go lower. So I do suspect that we may try to test this initial pocket of buying right there around $7.50, $7.60 for D-Wave. Here it is on the 2. We have 8 hours and 51 minutes left on the 2 before it prints, and the market currently is still looking pretty bearish right there. Here is D-Wave on the 3. Have a couple more hours on this particular 3-day price bar as well, and it still looks pretty bearish. It will be even more bearish once this price bar prints and the market closes all the way down from the low that occurred on the prior 3 days. Okay. Here it's D wave on the 4, D wave on the 5, and on the weekly chart definitely looks pretty weak there too. So we are going to anticipate that this stock is going to continue to go down. Okay, and our first target is going to be right here, this first buy pocket, $7.50, give or take, in that vicinity, 13.09% there. Our next target would be at this next buy pocket around $6.34, which gives us 27 and almost a quarter. Last target, if the market continues to show weakness, would be all the way down here around $5.75. Okay, that is where we are at. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know if you guys think that this stock is going to continue to be bullish, or do you think the market's going to continue to go lower? If you're expecting price to go down, where would be your entry price? Where would you want to come in and purchase this stock? I'm doing this line right there so you can tell that the trend has been broken, the one that started on March 10th. So the overall bullishness into the market for this stock has waned, especially since price is closing below that trend. All right, so that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.